Now that you understand the options available in your course settings, you can begin adding content to your courses by going back to the course builder. Here, you can add content to your lessons and topics. In order to add your content, simply hover over your lessons, over your topics, or over your quiz. And you will see the edit and remove selections here. Let's now edit the first lesson and add the content. Begin by right-clicking and opening a new tab to keep the course open, because after you've finished creating content, you'll need to come back. Now you will see the lesson page. You'll automatically see the lesson title that you entered earlier on the course builder page. And here you can add your lesson content. Click on this plus icon, and you will see different widgets that are available that can be added to your lessons page. You can also use the search function to find the widget, such as a video, and you'll see your video options. You can also type in something like audio, podcast from Spotify, document, or a paragraph for you to just write the text for this area. I'm going to go back over to my outline so I can copy and paste information of the lesson. Okay, I have a little bit of text that I want to put into this lesson, so I'm going to copy that over. You can easily copy and paste your text, or you can type directly into the builder. Next, I want to add a YouTube video to this lesson. So I'm going to click on this plus icon, then type in YouTube. And I'm going to add the link to my YouTube video here. Now I have all the information that I want to add to this lesson. Please note that you can add as many widgets or blocks of content as you like. You can have multiple videos and multiple audio files. However you want to set up your lessons is entirely up to you. What I'm showing you here is just an example of how you can add some simple text and a video to your lessons. Once you have finished adding all of your content, you can click on Update. To view the lesson, you have to publish the course first. And click on View Lesson, which will come up here, so you can see what your lessons will look like. Let's go back to the course builder. Now I will show you how to add a presentation slide and a podcast to the topic. So I'm going to open a new tab. You can add a presentation slide by simply using the document widget, then upload the file. Select Microsoft Office Online as the viewer, and you can also adjust the width and height as needed. Next, click on the plus icon again and search for Spotify. Then copy and paste the podcast link that you want to add. So now we have finished adding a presentation slide and a podcast. You can click Update and right-click on View Topic to open a new tab or window, where you'll now see the content you've just updated. Stay tuned for part 2. We are going to customize how learners interact with the lessons or topics by editing in the setting function.